Oh no, a small pebble hit your windshield and damaged it. Minor windshield damage can, over time, become larger and will force you into an expensive windshield replacement. But there is another option. Knauz can repair minor damage to your windshield. Filling in the minor chip helps prevent it from becoming a crack. The technician removes any loose glass left in the crack, cleaning the area around it. An injector is used to press crystal clear resin into the cracked area to prevent the damage from spreading. The technician injects the resin into the crack and then removes any excess resin from the treated area. This process may be repeated several times to ensure the resin fills the crack entirely. Heat is applied to give proper adhesion and to finalize the application. After letting the resin dry, the technician removes the resin injector and applies pit resin and cellophane to fill in the missing glass and protect the repair. UV light is used to completely dry the repair. To achieve a perfectly smooth surface, the technician thoroughly buffs the repaired area and cleans the windshield, going the extra mile to make sure you experience the best. That is how Knauz takes care of your vehicle.